solving a quadratic equation. So it is very important to know to put in any standard form of a quadratic equation. It is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So into it, before we can solve any quadratic, we must make sure that and we must make sure that ukhona u0 beside elaga right. Okay, so let's check again ukuthi si solve kanjani. So if you can recall from your grade 9 maths ukuthi nanikeza into emikanje ethi x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0, where kuba ama-factors ka-2 kuba ama-factors our first term, or ku-x no x kuba ama-factors our last term engaba u2 no 1. Si-check last term is positive, akusho ukuthi ama-sign ayafana, awo positive, it's plus. So emva kwalokho sesiyabhala ukuthi x is equals to -2 or x is equals to -1. Right? Mhlambe asike sithathe esinye sibone ukuthi singasolve kanjani. Let us say we are given something like x squared minus 2x is equals to 8. So la into yokuqala kumele siyenze, kumele sibhale lo in a standard form. Should it's x squared minus 2x, it's minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Simbhala standard form, usala u0 kwiside laka right. Then bese nje kusho ukuthi si-ready ukuthi singa-factorize. So kuzoba ngani, it's x times x okuma-factors of the last term, then ama-factors ka-8, so kuzoba u4 no2. Uchecker, the last term is negative, kutshela ukuthi signs are different. So 4 is negative and 2 is positive. 2 is positive is equals to 0. So it's x is equals to positive 4 or x is equals to -2. X is equals to -2. Okay. Right. So la into ibaluleke kakhulu nje ukuthi bhala kube in a standard form. That is very important to note. Okay, so singaqhubeka sibuke amanye ama-examples. Okay. Alright, sithi sinikezwe check singathatha esinye sithi mhlawumbe sinikezwe into ethi alright, sithi number 1 wethu lo, number 2 mhlawumbe sithi for number 3 sinikezwe into ethi x minus 4 into x minus 5 is equals to 0. Should uma ime kanje, it is already factorized. So x is equals to a positive 4 or x is equals to a positive 5. There is no need ukuthi uqale phansi or factorize. So x is equals to 4 or x is equals to a positive 5. Right, let us check our fourth example. sibone asike sithi mhlambe for example 4 we are given 5 into x minus 1 all squared is equals to 45. Should lo kumele simbhale in a standard form. So singabhala ke la ku 5 then multiply la, so sikhumbule ukuthi this is x minus 1 into x minus 1 is equals to 45. Then this is 5 into x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 45. Right, then all this we can just simply divide by 5 on one side or 2. So let's divide on 5 we divide 5 usalo x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 9. Right, so then sekumele sibhaleke in a standard form. So mase ku standard form sekuzoba x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is x squared minus 2x, this is negative 8 is equals to 0. Then let's say factorizer, it's x times x, then it is 4 into negative and positive, this is equals to 0. So x is equals to a positive 4 or x is equals to a negative 2. Then solve for x with quadratic equation 8. Alright, so this was example 4. Okay, let us take example 5. Sibone ukuthi khona basiphatheleni, ake sithi nje basinikeza into ethi x squared so sizoba no x squared minus 3x. This is x squared minus 3x is equals to 0. So la let's say a method yethu of factorization. So we take out a common factor of x, so x minus 3 is equals to 0. Then sesingakwazi ukusolve for x. Kusho ukuthi for this solution to be true, x kumele abe u0. Ngoba uyabona futhi la mufaka u0 la, it's going to be 0 times anything. Here the answer is about 0. Or x wethu kumele abe positive 3. Uyabona la ukuthi masifaka u3 la, it's going to be 3 minus 3 over 0, and 0 times anything, the answer is 0. So uzobe ususolvile nala uma kunje. Alright, mhlambe asike sicheke enye indlela abangasibuza ngayo lento le. Let us take another example. Sibone sithi we have example 6 now. Sithi sino example 6. Sithi mhlambe basinikeza kanjani, mhlambe bathi kuno x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 12. Right, so la into mesiqale siyenze ukubhala in a standard form. Alright, ucheck la kwiside elaka right awukho u0 la. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi this is not factorized. So therefore mele siqale simultiply. Uyakhumbula ke wena kumele times lo ngalowa, times lo ngalo, phinde times la, siphinde times la. So la kuphuma bani ke? This is x squared. This is x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Alright. It's x times x squared, x times -2, -2x, -3 times x, -3x, -3 times -2, it's +6. Bese ke u12 lo, so represent outside la left, so -12 is equals to 0. As identity like terms, so this is x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0. Equals to 0. So this is x times x. Then we have 6 and 1. So it's negative and positive. Alright, so x wethu 6 or x uzoba -1. Alright, let us go for example number 7. Sibone khona ukuthi bangaphinde basibuze kanjani lento. Example number 7. Sike sithi sinikezwe 2x squared minus x is equals to 10. First step, we must write this in a standard form. So should sibhala kuno 0 beside la, right? So this is a factorization of a quadratic trinomial. When usuyakwazi ukufactorize manje, so this is 2x and x at the factors of 10. Singamsebenzisa u5 beno 2. So singathi sino 5 sithi sino 2. Must cross multiply la. This will be 5x, then lana sinobani sino 4x. Ukuze kuphume lo wa negative x, kusho ukuthi u5 must be negative, 4 or positive. So la sino negative, la sino positive. Ukuze kuphume negative 1x. So therefore our solutions, it's going to be 2x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. Sorry, our factors, not the solutions. Then our solutions again, so to 2x is equals to a positive 5, or x is equals to a negative 2. Then we divide both sides by 2. X is equals to 5 over 2, or x is equals to negative 2. Alright, so sesikhavile ke nje indlela eziningana abangasibuza ngazo, sekumele ke sipractice ke. So if you have any questions, ungangisendela ke wona under comment section, noma ungaba WhatsApp ke ama questions akho. Number yethu WhatsApp. Thank you so much.